my channel. At ayan, samahan niyo po kami dito sa Plaza de Roja sa Nasugbu, Batangas. Opening ng Christmas light, pailaw sa Nasugbu Plaza. Ayan, tara, samahan niyo kami. Manonood kami ni Carmela May na pailaw sa Plaza de Rojas, Nasugbu, Batangas. Ayan, walk kami. Carmela, super dami po ng tao. Grabe, punong-puno po. At yan, thank you po sa mga manonood ng aking video. Ayan, thank you for everything sa mga laging nanonood. Samahan nyo kami and please subscribe my channel, like and share, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga vlog, sa aming vlog ni Carmela May. Ayan, nood lang po kayo guys. Thanks sa mga nanonood. God bless you always.
Welcome to this year's Christmas lighting ceremony, where community gathers to celebrate the spirit of unity, hope, and joy. Tonight, we officially welcome the Christmas season as we illuminate our town with light, love, and togetherness. I am Marian Sabarde, and I am joyed to be your host tonight as we officially welcome the Christmas season in our beloved town, Nasugbu. Together, let us light up our town with sparkling colors, bright smiles, and the warm spirit of Christmas. Thank you for joining us as we make this evening truly magical. Before we begin, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our beloved officials and guests, Mayor Antonio Barcelon, our Sangguniang Bayan member, Konsehal Jel, Konsehal Lynette, Konsehal Butubara, Konsehal Marcos, Konsehal P. Wanchay, and Konsehal Bautista. Magandang gabi po. Municipal Mayor.
Sa ating po lahat, mahal po mga kababayan at kasamahan sa paglilingkod sa ating bayan, sa ngalan po ng pamahalaang bayan ng Nasugbu, kasama po natin ang ating Sangguniang Bayan. Kami po ay bumabati sa inyo ng isang magandang gabi. Tayo po sa araw na ito ay magsisimula ng paggunita ng ilang mahahalagang araw dito sa ating mahal na bayan ng Nasugbu. Una po ay pasasalamatan natin ang pagkalinga ng ating mahal na patron, ang Nuestra Señora de Escalera at ang ating si San Francisco Javier. Ang Nasugbu po ay mapalad sa kanilang pag-aalaga sa atin at yan naman ay alam pong ramdam ninyo sapagkat hindi pa tayo dumadanas ng mga sakuna o mga ang pagunlad, pagsagana ng ating bayan. Sa ngalan po ng pamahalaang bayan at sa aking mga kasama sa Sangguniang Bayan, sisimulan po natin ang countdown. 10, 1, 10, 9,
5, 4, 3, 2,
So, meron tayong aabangan sa ating darating na kapistahan. So, our municipality has now shines brighter than ever. May these lights remind us of hope, compassion, and unity as we celebrate this season. As the lights illuminate our community, may they remind us of the hope, peace, compassion, unity, and joy that Christmas brings as we celebrate this season. Thank you to everyone who made this event possible. Our local officials, maraming salamat po muli. Municipal employees who may one way or another help in making this pailaw possible, especially po from the engineering department headed by Engineer Romy Velasco, heads of the different offices, especially po to our municipal administrator, Elmer Bordeos, na punong abala po sa pailaw ngayong gabi, to our volunteers, to OMA, no, Office of the Municipal Administrator, and to the CIBAO Office, to our GIPs, sa ating pong performer mamaya, and of course, to all of you na nandito kasama nating ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po. To continue this festivity, we invite you to enjoy a special performance from Nasugbu Sumba Ladies. Nasugbu Sumba Ladies, the floor is all yours. that ends our program for tonight. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the night. Feel free to enjoy more our own love, photos, and lasting memories. On behalf of the local government unit of Nasuku, Batangas, thank you for celebrating with us tonight. Once again, Merry Christmas, everyone. And see you
No, picture tayo.
Just tur.
Wala na yung
Ayun ba?
Kaya na to.
Oh.
Ayan. I don't know. Ayan pa pala, oh. Hello? One, two, three.
Ah!